Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can hide your WhatsApp's last seen. For those who didn't know, when you have disabled your WhatsApp's last seen, you don't see others, so simply start by opening WhatsApp. And let's open this profile for example. So now that it's open, you can see that we able to see his last seen. So remember that our WhatsApp's last seen, if it's disabled, we won't see this user's last seen, so simply start by hiding yours by opening Settings. Then click on Account. Then go on Privacy. And now as you can see we have so many options to choose from, either hiding your last seen and your profile. So let's disable our last seen, then click on it. From here you can choose to whether hide it from those who don't have your number, or nobody, so let's choose nobody, and now your last seen has been finally hidden. And if you check your contact's last seen, you will see that his last seen is hidden, so now you can't see your contact's last seen, neither can they see yours. So if you want to enable your account's last seen again, go back to the previous settings, and now choose everyone, and now if you go back, you will see your contact's last seen. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.